£37, £38 to fill it up. That's about 50 US cents to fill it. Just pop that shut. While they attempt to close my petrol filler cap, I'm going to choose some music for the next leg of the journey. And a good thing about having an 8-track is that you can't get N-dubs in this format, or basement jacks. It's just good stuff. Blue Oyster Cult, Elton John, Bowie. We ploughed on, and soon we reached the beautiful city of Birmingham. There are more shopping trolleys in the canals here than there are in Venice.
But this is right in the heart of car building territory. I mean, my grandfather was in the car building business. Everybody was.
Eventually, we arrived in the beauty spot that is Carter's Green, West Bromwich. And it was here, in this very factory, that Jeremy's Jensen was born.
Think of all the people that ran in through doors, full of optimism. And, oh, a brilliant idea.
Through there?
Yeah.
They also made the Interceptor FF here, the first ever four-wheel drive production car. It was the brainchild of this man, Major Tony Roth.